Hey beauties, you're welcome back to my channel. I'm Vicky, and if this is your first time of visiting this page, you're super welcome. This channel is all about effective product recommendations, and to my new subscribers, my new followers, I really want to appreciate you guys. Thank you so much for following this page. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. Okay, you're welcome to this wonderful family. If you have any contribution or anything that you think can help us enhance our beauty and our looks, kindly feel free to drop it in the comment section. I'll be super glad to review and recommend it. Okay, so in today's video, I'm going to show you how to DIY for a facial scrub, how to do a DIY facial scrub at home without spending so much on products. Okay, if you haven't subscribed yet, kindly tap the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. Without wasting much of your time, let's go straight to the video. As usual, I'm going to be introducing the products, okay, for you all to see. The first product you're going to be needing for this your DIY facial scrub is your Greek yogurt. Why am I recommending Greek yogurt? Because Greek yogurt is actually unsweetened and unflavored, and it's plain yogurt. Alright, apart from that, it easily absorbs into the skin. You can actually research on the importance of yogurt. The next product you're going to be needing is your banana. Yeah, if it's my junior sister, she says banana, but I don't know, it is banana. Okay, the next product you're going to be needing is your aloe vera. I'm going to show you how to mix this product up for your DIY facial scrub. So this is how to mix your DIY skin.
Here lie the ashes of all the fiery crashes of everyone to ever rush to love. Past the stop signs and speed bumps, careening toward the tree trunks, perched above the edges of the bluff. The splendor in the tender skin, the long forgotten earthly hymn, the silent theft, the violent breath of life. Just replay the camera lens to bring it all alive again, to climb inside that speeding car and drive. Here lie the cinders of once ignited tinder, left to burn until it turned to dust. In the wake of the embers, the aching of December, the chill that turned a healthy heart to stone. The fast ascent, the desperate thrusts, the sweaty stench of teenage lust, the hushed embrace of gushing shapes at night. To just replay the camera lens, to bring it all alive again, to climb inside that speeding car and drive.
This is a DIY face scrub. Okay, face scrub. Oh, this is going to be so super good on your skin. Like, you will love your face, because banana is very good for the skin, and yogurt, especially plain yogurt, is beautiful on the skin. And also aloe vera. Can you imagine having these three products in one?
Here lies the body, motionless beside me, a little rough, but close enough to her. the splendor in the tender skin, the long forgotten earthly hymn, the silent theft, the violent breath of life. To just replay the camera lens, to bring it all alive again.
You can leave it for 1 minute on your skin before washing it off, okay? You can wait for 1 minute before washing it off, or 30 seconds. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this video helps you. I can't wait to see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. You can like and share this video to your friends and loved ones.